Yeah, that's right, y'all. This your boy Jay here. I know it's been a little minute, but I'm back, baby. Hey, look, this video right here, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to make sweet and sour chicken. Right there, I just got some chicken that I had marinating in basically just soy sauce, and I put some seasoning on it, whatever seasoning you like, and I just gonna let it go around in the skillet for a minute until it brown up, just like that. And then look, baby, sweet and sour sauce. Man, the easiest and most delicious, quick little thing you can make. You can throw it over rice, fried rice, or if you would like, just eat it plain. But look, man, this is so easy, simple. Man, you should try it out. And that's pretty much it. I let it brown in the skillet, and then I just throw on some sweet and sour sauce, and man, get on down. So as you can see right there, I put the lid on it. I wanted to simmer. I turned it down low, and bam, there it is, baby. Sweet and sour chicken made easy, simple. Man, I'm telling you right now, nothing left to do but say grace and smash.